Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can step by step apply for your Ireland visit visa. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And I would also like to clarify that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so guys, in front of you I have opened the official Irish government site, Department of Justice site, where they have the information about visiting. Okay, so they give information if you like to take a holiday or short break in Ireland, you can visit for less than 90 days. If you are from a visa required countries, you will have to apply for a short stay sea tourist visa. Okay, conditions we know that no work and other. Okay, now how do you apply? And this was sea tourist visa. So okay, and activities that are permitted: tourism, to visit family, friends, study, for a short term English language course, example, to get married, medical treatment. With this visa you cannot work of any kind, and you cannot use any publicly funded service like hospital and other things. Of course, like if you have any trouble, you can always call the police, that's fine. If you're from visa required national, that we have observed above, yes. And each traveler must apply for a separate visa. There is no family visa. So that means if you're going as a couple, let's say for your honeymoon, as a married couple, both of you need to apply. A parent or legal guardian should make a tourist visa application for a younger person. Yeah, that also makes sense. You should not buy travel tickets before you receive a decision on your visa application. This is a huge thing because a lot of people struggle, like for many kind of visa applications people apply with tickets. So if the visa is not approved, in many cases they don't get full refund. So this is really gonna be very helpful. So 3 steps: create visa application online, pay the fee, send your passport and other documents. Okay, and they may ask you to biometric also. Some special visa programs like using a UK visa or as a school group trip from European Union and Switzerland. Okay, travel between Ireland and UK for certain Chinese and Indian nationals. If you travel using a Chinese and Indian passport, so Indian passport holders who have UK visa, they have something good. Create your visa application online. Okay, so you get this visa application, we'll go into that in detail. Okay, transaction number, application summary sheet, application office, Irish embassy or consulate. So for the purpose of this video, we'll see from India. So in India this is outsourced to VFS, so we'll go to the VFS site and from there also we will go through. Now documents that you need: you must send the documents listed below to your application office. You must do it 30 days of creating application via this system. We will not process your application until we receive everything. Of course, prepare documents carefully. They contain information, we need to make decision. Okay, we do not accept photocopies except where stated. Letters must be original. Letters from company, news, school, colleges must be on official headed. Okay, for example, if you are employed and you are going for holidays, then that letter. Okay, email address, Yahoo and Hotmail email addresses are not accepted. Why only Yahoo and Hotmail? I don't know. Okay, documents must be translated English or Irish language. Send us both the original and certified translation. Okay, fine. Document required. Okay, so they have given the information, application summary, and that based on the situation: passport photographs, finance plan, obligations to return home, past visa refusals. Okay, if you send a visa from W visa, okay, fine. So they have given all the information here. We have gone through most of the general things, like of course when you are going traveling there, you need to have enough funds If you're going for vacation, you should have vacation plan, passport, and obligations to return home. If you have any past visa refusal, passport photographs, medical travel insurance, then invitation letter if applicable. Otherwise, like if, as I said, like if you're going from after taking leave, you should have leave documents. And this one, obligations to return home, lot of people will have. Strong family social ties to your country. If you are employed, you apply 3 more work from your employer: education, family, property, title deed or tenancy. Like you need to show dependency. This happens like with Canada too and many other countries, almost all. Like you need to have a reason to come back, right? That's all right, guys. So now let's go through the system. Apply for an Irish visa via AVATS. Okay. Continue. Online before you apply, visa applications. Acknowledge. You can read. Country of nationality. I'm just making it a sample, okay? And I'm not gonna do any real. So a lot of things are there. So for tourist visa, I have visit tourist. Okay. So the moment I did visit tourist, short stay already. Select the appropriate option if there's journey type. So like a number of interests, single, will allow you to travel to Ireland on one occasion only within the dates shown on your visa. Multiple occasions, if you're applying for long stay visa, we recommend you select type multiple, but the short stay, so I just selected one. Purpose of travel, passport type, what is this international document issued by government or international furthermore small groups of, okay, fine, whatever is applicable in your case. And I'm gonna put some sample, and I'm gonna click on save and continue. So I won't be submitting this application. Travel, it's not mandatory, so if you have chosen other, please briefly outline, but you can fill it like tourism, whatever you want, fine, and some details, of course. The next page you have personal details, surname, forename, other name if applicable. You see it's not mandatory. Date of birth, country of birth, and other pieces of information, current address. And they are not going to accept post box address. So again I'm going to fill some sample. Length of residence, in the next page, length of residence in current country. So whatever is applicable in your case, you got to do. I'm just putting some samples. Do you have permission to return to country that after you stay in Ireland? Yes. Like if you are a citizen, you have the passport. Are you exempt from requirement to I select no, but you can click on it and then you can find it out what is like exemption from biometric. Have you applied for an Irish visa pre-clearance before? I select no. Have you applied for, no. Been issued an Irish visa pre-clearance? No. If yes, you got to provide the details. Have you ever been refused? No. These questions are really important, so make sure you understand them clearly and understand them. Now to other country. My personal suggestion would be never hide any information, because this is going to be a legal document once you fill, pay and submit to them. So if you hide and they catch you, you can be in a bigger trouble. So I would be very my personal suggestion to you guys, like when you fill something legal, be very honest. Look, this they are asking for any other country, so if there is anything, provide the details. Criminal convictions, provide the details. So now I'm gonna go save, and I have provided some sample information, but this is passport details. So if you select no first, they are gonna ask you more details once you fill. If you select yes, they won't ask you more. Anyway, I'm just gonna put some sample. Are you employed in your country of residence? I select yes, so they are gonna ask you the employer details, of course. And same thing for student, if I select yes, they are gonna ask the details. Yeah. If I select no, they won't ask you. So definitely you got to be honest, because this is a sample video. I'm just selecting no, but you need to provide your correct information. Okay. Are you traveling with another person? I select no, but whatever is applicable in your case. Next is your contact details for contact host in Ireland, like where going to stay, your accommodation. For example, if you are going for tourism purposes, you know where exactly you are going to stay, right? So that's what information you need to provide. So I'm going to put some sample. Your personal information, marital, children. I'm going to just select single. And zero, but always do as per your case, not what you see here. I'm gonna go to next. Do you receive assistance? I'm gonna know, but if yes, they need to provide that information. Next is the declaration, and then you also have the option at the bottom of this page to check the data and anything that you want to modify. So I'm not going to submit it because this is just a sample, but you got the idea. Now after the submission, if you go back to this steps, okay, let's go to those 3 steps: create, pay, and then send your passport and other documents. So we will now quickly jump like how we are gonna do it. Okay, so I can show you directly by country, but let's navigate through here from where you are. Let's say you are applying from India. So if I go for India, so they have given a website also. So okay, so if I go to their website, I know they have outsourced it to VFS. If in India applying for an okay, how to apply we already know. This form we completed, and then it goes to VFS. Visa fee for single entry fee, this is the fee, and other things. Okay, now documentation, when it comes, this checklist is going to be really important, and supplementary form you also need to provide. Okay, so let's see, where is tourism, visit family, visit tourist. Okay, so we'll open supplement form and also the checklist. Then we'll go, before we end the video, we'll go to the VFS site as well to check. So in supplementary, what name, visa reference number, that will come after submit the form, passport information, nationality, sign date, and this section is for office use, personal and family details, contact immediate family members, do you have any Ireland, you are living in other country, okay, provide information, immigration history, you have been refused, this is about refusal, detail, education, employment, your stay in Ireland. So basically it's in details in summary that you have submitted. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so what are the things? VFS cover sheets, VFS checks verified document, immigration invitation. Some of this like, okay, we'll go to the checklist because they have given like full information. Oh, they again opened this. Alright, documents required. So we have already gone through this. So if we come here, based on situation for all applicants, employment, like you see that which of these are required for your case. Like if you have a host, then invitation letter, otherwise accommodation details. If you're student, English language details, travel insurance. And see they have written also which for short stay, travel insurance. Okay, now let's go to the VFS site. So this is the site of VFS in India for Ireland, and again in 4 steps they have given: apply for visa, book an appointment where you are gonna submit the application and if biometrics too if required, and then from there it goes. So let's click on start now. Identify visa, we know the visa type, begin your application. So we have gone through it, online form, and we know. Then and supplementary form, that also we know. Fee also we know. Book an appointment, that you need to do, and that's it. Like visit, you go, and then submit the documents, passport and all, and if granted, you can go ahead. So that's how it works. So I hope you're gonna like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.